a quick revision of this lecture. In this lecture we have studied about compounds, and they are divided into acids, salts and bases. Acids. Properties of acid. They are sour in taste, they turn blue litmus into red, and they give hydrogen ions in aqueous solution. Acids are classified on the basis of origin, that is inorganic acids and organic acids, classified on the basis of their strength, strong acid and weak acid, and classified on basis of their concentration, that is dilute acids and concentrated acids. Properties of bases. Bitter in taste, turn red litmus into blue, soapy in touch, produce hydroxide ions in aqueous solution. They are classified on basis of their strength, that is strong bases and weak bases, and classify on basis of concentration, that is dilute bases and concentrated bases. Now, when acid reacts with metal, they gives metal salt and hydrogen gas, and when metal carbonates or metal hydrogen carbonates react with acid, they give salt, carbon dioxide and water. When base react with metal, they give salt and hydrogen gas. Indicators. Natural, synthetic and olfactory. Types of natural indicator: litmus, red cabbage leaf extract, flower of hydrangea plant and turmeric. Synthetic: phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Olfactory: onion, vanilla essence and clove oil.